morning, children. How are you doing today? Um, you're welcome to our online learning on ICT. Today, we are going to be introducing you to a very interesting topic, and the topic is coding. Yes, I'm sure everybody is happy because coding is very, very interesting. Now, but before we go into the class, I want us to quickly look at the learning objective. At the end of the lesson, children are going to be able to, explain what coding is. We are going to be introduced to the world of coding. We will learn the essence of coding, the reasons why we engage in coding, and then we would also be introduced to Scratch Junior application, and then at the end of the day we will learn to design simple games using the Scratch application. Now the Bible reference for this class is drawn from Proverbs 22:29, which says, "Do you see a man skilled in his work? He will stand before kings, he will not stand before obscure men." So before we move further in this class, I want us to quickly look at the quizzes activity that we did last week. Let's quickly do a review or a correction on our last quizzes assignment. So I'll click on this and then we'll go right away to play. So the first question says, paint package is used to draw and color the following except. So yes, this first building you can use the paint color to design it. This second building you can draw it using paint color, but this light pen, no, you cannot draw it using paint color. But this last option here, the bus, you can use paint package. So the correct answer is the light pen. The next question is, select from the tools below examples of paint application, or select from the tools below examples of paint package tool. Eraser is a paint package tool, pencil is a paint package tool, paint bucket is a paint package tool, and then the text tool is also a paint package tool. So every of them are paint package tool. Yes, correct. The next question says, to launch paint package, you must locate and dash button. You must locate the dash button. Sorry, to launch paint package, you must locate and to launch the paint package, you must locate the dash button. The keyboard button, no. The start button, no. The start or Windows key, yes. The system unit, no. The mouse, no. So the answer is start or Windows key. So to launch the paint application, you must locate the start or Windows button. The next question says, the dash is used to fill objects and shapes with color. Paint bucket, shapes, zoom, text. So paint bucket is the correct answer. So the next question says, I'm sure you are enjoying this and I'm sure you got all yours right. So we move on to question number 5, which says, circle the parts. The circled part in the image above is a dash tool in paint package. The circled part in the image above is the dash tool in paint package. You can see that those are shapes. So that is shape tool. So shape tool is the correct answer. Yes. We'll go to question number 6. which says the image above is a dash application. It's a Paint application work environment. The following are examples of paint package tools, except pick tool is not a paint package tool. Shape is a paint package tool. Paint bucket is a paint package tool. Eraser is also a paint package tool. So the one that is not a paint package tool is the pick tool. So we move to question number 8. Paint package is used to draw and dash object, to draw and color objects. Yes. The next question, which is question number 9, says the dash is used to pick color in an area of our work and paste same color in another area. Eraser, no, eraser is used for erasing. Zoom is used to magnify. Paintbrush, no. Color picker, yes. The color picker is used to pick color in an area of our work and paste in some other and paste the same color in another area. So the last question is the magnifier in paint is used to dash. The magnifier in paint is used to dash in and out on our drawings. Play in and out, no. Paint in and out, no. Zoom in and out, yes. Zoom in and out is the correct thing. So we have come to the end of the quizzes activity. So let's quickly move back to our lessons and learn what coding is all about. Okay, so coding is the language that the computer understands. Coding in simplest term is telling the computer what to do and how to do it. Now, coding is the language that we speak to the computer system. Now, if you want a computer system to do anything, you want to use the computer system to print, you want the computer system to print when you press the print button, you would have to code it into the computer. You want the computer system to identify when you type ABC, you have to code it into the computer system. Anything you want the computer system to do, you use coding. So to make you understand better, at the point of creating the computer system, the computer creators used coding to create the computer system. So coding is what we used to produce all the applications you can see today, like your paint application that we use for playing game. It was done using coding. Like the games, all the games we play on the computer system, they were all designed through coding. So coding is very, very important. Coding helps you to design games, animation, write your own stories. Now, there are several applications that are used for coding. A good example is Scratch Junior. I'm going to be introducing you to the Scratch Junior application, which would help children from the ages of 5 to 7 to learn how to design their own interactive stories and game. I'm going to put you through all of this process in our next class. But before we go, please, I'd like you to, get your parents' support or assistance to install Scratch Junior application on your computer, because you have to get the Scratch application on your computer so that you'll be able to learn this lesson. So in this class, I am just going to introduce you to coding, tell you like I've just done now, and I'm also going to explain to you how you can download the Scratch application, which is what we are going to be using to learn how to design our games, stories, and animation. But to download the Scratch application, you must tell mommy or daddy to assist you in doing that. And how can mommy and daddy do that? They would go to Google and type download Scratch Junior. After they click download Scratch Junior, it will give them several options where they can download the Scratch application. Then they can simply click on download to download the Scratch application. So please, I like you to get the Scratch application on your computer system against our next class, so that by the time I start explaining how to use the Scratch application, you are going to find it very easy. You can go ahead to download the latest Scratch application on your computer system, or Scratch 2.0. So when we meet next week, we will take it off from there. Thank you, everybody. Bye.